Ankle sprains and foot injuries are some of the most common setbacks for both athletes and everyday movers. But with the right recovery plan, you can restore stability, strength, and confidence, and even prevent future injuries. An ankle sprain happens when the ligaments that support your ankle stretch or tear, usually from twisting or rolling your foot. The first phase of recovery is about reducing pain and swelling. Use the R method: rest, ice, compression, and elevation. Avoid putting full weight on the foot at first, and use crutches or a brace if needed. Gentle ankle circles and toe wiggles can help keep blood flowing without strain. As swelling decreases, the next focus is restoring range of motion. Simple exercises like tracing the alphabet with your toes or gentle ankle pumps help improve flexibility. Move slowly and stop if you feel sharp pain. Recovery should challenge you, not hurt you. Once mobility returns, it's time to rebuild strength. Start with light resistance band exercises, pulling your foot inward, outward, upward, and downward. These movements strengthen the small, stabilizing muscles around the ankle that prevent future sprains. Calf raises and towel scrunches can also strengthen your foot and arch. Balance training is another key step. After an ankle injury, proprioception, your body's sense of position, is often reduced. Practice standing on one leg, first with support, then without. Progress to unstable surfaces like a cushion or balance board to retrain stability. As your strength improves, move to functional exercises like step-ups, light jogging, or hopping drills. These help you regain dynamic stability and prepare your ankle for real-world movement. Always build up gradually and avoid uneven or unstable surfaces early on. For foot injuries like plantar fasciitis or stress fractures, recovery focuses on reducing load and inflammation first, followed by gentle stretching and strengthening. Massaging the sole of your foot with a ball and stretching the calves can help relieve tension and restore mobility. Wearing proper footwear and using supportive insoles can also make a huge difference in preventing re-injury. Shoes with good arch support and cushioning protect your foot and promote better alignment. Throughout recovery, be mindful of your body's feedback. Mild discomfort is normal as tissues adapt, but pain or swelling after exercise means you may need more rest or a slower progression. Finally, consistency is what turns healing into strength. Doing your rehab exercises daily, maintaining flexibility, and keeping your balanced training routine even after recovery will make your ankles and feet more resilient than before. Ankle sprains and foot injuries can feel limiting, but they're also an opportunity to rebuild smarter, move better, and strengthen the foundation that carries you every step of the way.